Welcome to Quinn's RC. I'm so excited. As of this recording, I have 30 subscribers. It made me think I really need to take this seriously since my influence will be impacting so many people. So, I've been experimenting with lighting. I got fancy lights up there. It's actually a heat lamp that we used when we had chickens to keep them warm at night. My GoPro is set up on a metal shelf with a bicycle handlebar adapter. Imagine how awesome that is. I'm gonna put a picture up there, show you my awesome studio setup. I've also been studying what it takes to become a huge YouTube channel. And one of them is, you gotta have an intro with the host, me, pretending that you got a big personality. So that's what I'm doing this time. But I'm so excited, so it's easy for me this time because right here I have my first real basher. You can see who made it. In a second I'm gonna unbox it and we're gonna see what I got. I have an old Emax which I treat like a basher, but every time I do, it takes a dump. I break something. So hopefully, with this, I'll be able to do some sick jumps and do some massive air. So stay tuned for the unboxing. Oh, I might have just peed a little. I can't wait to get this thing out ripping. My batteries are charged. I'm going to take it out for the first rip. That'll be my next video. Subscribe so you don't miss that. Also, I've got some upgrades already planned to take care of one of the major problems that people find with the V5 Creighton. So please, click like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I'll see you next time on Quinn's RC.